Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Interboard, Telangana Interboard is giving contradictory decisions, contradictory statements, and it is pushing the students into a fix in a dilemma state. The government declared that first year students are promoted to the second year classes. Then the secretary, and a couple of days ago, the secretary gave one statement saying that everyone has to write the test, everyone has to clear the test. Exams will be conducted when the situation becomes normal. So, a lot of confusion is there. And yesterday, the board gave another statement. Yesterday evening, I believe, first year students they have to submit their assignments, environment and ethics assignments on or before 25th of this month, April. Otherwise, they will be declared fail, and then only they will be passed. When they submit, then only they will be declared passed. So, a lot of confusion. Exams will be there. They are saying on one hand, on the other hand, everybody is passed. So, a lot of confusion. So, the board has to clarify all these doubts. Okay, so if the exams are there, when they are going to conduct the exams? You know that some weeks ago, the board secretary he announced that all the arrangements are made for the exams, for the smooth conducting of the exams. Exams will definitely be there. Exams will be there. The next day, the other day only, education minister declared that exams are cancelled for SSC and first year. So in our democratic system, these IAS, IPS officers, so they can't take, you know that they can't take their own decision. Okay, bureaucrats, they can't take their own decision. Only minister's statement, CM, chief minister's decision, that is final. To conclude, to sum up, what I opine is first year students, anyhow, they are going to be promoted. So, but the thing is, they will be awarded passing marks, minimum marks. If you are satisfied with those marks, you need not write the test. If you want to increase your marks, then you have to write the test. First year and second year also. Second year, anyhow, they have to write the test. No promotion for second year. When they are going to conduct, when the situation becomes normal, when the intensity of this virus comes down, so may it be June or may it be July also. Last year also same thing happened with the engineering students, especially in TS. First they declared that everybody was promoted. Again, everybody wrote the test. Students of all the semesters, they wrote the test offline. They went to the college, they wrote the test. Same will be happening with intermediate students also. That's why, so keep studying your books. Okay, don't stop your preparation. First year students, you can study second year books also. Second year students, you concentrate on MSET, NEET, okay, IIT, so competitive exams, okay. So don't quit your studies. The cancellation of exams, cancellation is not the solution for all the problems. Cancellation of exams, it brings us short term benefits but long term losses. Students will lose interest in studies, so we'll become passive, we'll become dull, lazy, also lethargic. That's why it is not the solution for all the problems. If it is unavoidable, if the virus is very powerful, very serious in June or July also, then it is inevitable, then it is unavoidable. So we can't have the exams. But I don't think so. The doctors, scientists, they say that. So in May it will go to the peak point, and June it will come down gradually. It will come down slowly. It will come down, and everybody is going to get vaccinated. That's why think positively. So in June, situation will become normal. So normalcy will be there. That's why we will have the exams. Okay, in June. If not June, June end or July also. That's why be prepared. Okay, students. That's all for today. We meet again with the latest updates in the next video. Thanks for watching my videos. Please share the videos with your friends. Okay. So sharing the knowledge is increasing our knowledge. Thank you very much. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be taken very soon. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, Jai Hind.